Intensive practice 4.2 question 2. Write the following in this form where a and b are integers. A is the largest value. Right. So to do this, first we need to identify the perfect squares. So I just write it here. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 16, 5 square 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and so on. Right. So 24 can be what times what? So from here I can pick one number here. 24 can be 4 times 6. So I can say surd 4 times surd 6. Why we have to do this is because all these numbers we can square root. So square root of 4 is 2. So this is 2 surd 6. B. 162. 162 is what times what? So 162 looks like it's 81 times 2. So 81, 2. Okay, you can just use your calculator. Okay, you can just do 162, you can try one by one. Okay, any of these. So 162 divided by 81, we get 2. So if 81 surd 2, surd 81 is 9. So this will be 9 surd 2. Next, 53 over 3. So 53 over 3, we can write it like this. Sorry, 53 plus 54. 54 over 3. 54 over 3 is just 18. So we write surd 18 first. 18 is 9 times 2. So you can say surd 9 times surd 2. The surd 9 is 3, so this will be 3 surd 2. Done. Okay. This one we move these numbers a bit. Okay. D. So D we have square of this whole thing. So the top and the bottom we have to square. 2 square is 4. Surd 6 square. Surd and square cancels off, so we get 6. And then 3 square is 9. So you can try to simplify this. 6 and 9 becomes 2 and 3. So we get 8 over 3. Right, so there's no surd here actually. I'm not sure why they put this question here, but since they really want us to express in this form, we have to split it. So maybe you can do 8 is 2 times 4, right? Sorry, 2 times 4 over 3. So 4 is the square root of 16. We can do that. Or we can say 2 is the square root of 4. So since 2 is the square root of 4, okay, we write like this. So instead of writing 2, we write surd 4. So answer is 4 over 3 surd 4. Okay. Right, this is quite a weird question. Okay, but I hope you guys understand. 8 is just 4 times 2. So 2 is the square root of 4 . Okay, so instead of writing 2, we write surd 4. Then we can get in surd form. Done.